How to use your sling. Pistol pit stop, bitches. This is a 1 minute short.
Typically, I like to run a 2-point sling, and I was having problems with I'm trying to put my finger in the trigger housing. As I'm going in, I'm trying to bring the buttstock on over to my alternate shoulder because it'll get caught up. Simply taking the sling,
Blue Force gear.
the quick disconnect, adding it in, creating a single point sling. Right? And then I can go ahead and go to work and have my drop pouch to hold it in place.